Good morning, children! Today is Thursday and we are going to continue to learn about fruits. Today is very exciting because we're going to have an experiment, and this experiment is we are going to have some experiments about apples. I know, can you describe an apple? How does an apple look like? There is color green, there's color, of course, there's color red. But do they have the same color inside? Yes, that's right. They have the same color inside. It is pale of white color and it has seeds inside. So apples have seeds. But when you cut an apple or when you bite an apple, I know everybody experiences it. When you bite an apple, you see the color? It is fresh, it is pale and off-white in color. And then if I'll do something and leave my apple on the table for a while, what do you think will happen in this apple? Will there be some changes in the color of the apple? You would notice that after few minutes, after a while, this apple is going to turn into what color? Into brown. That's right. It's going to turn into brown. And that process is what you call as oxidation. Can you say oxidation? Oxidation happens when you cut or slice an apple, and then the surface of this apple, the surface of this apple is exposed to the oxygen in the air. So that's what causes it to be brown. There is a reaction in that. Do you like it when apples are brown in color? Sometimes no, we don't really like it when they turn into brown. That's right. When they turn into brown, we don't really like it because it feels like, oh, what is this? I'm gonna show you some more pictures about it, about when apples turn brown and about oxidation. So, okay, see the following pictures. So let's find out how we can keep these apples from turning into brown, or how can we slow down the process of them turning into brown through this simple experiment that we are going to do. So this is the process of how we will do our apple experiment. We have observation. So we observe that the apple slices turn into brown. Then we have a question. Can I help stop the apples from turning brown, or slow down the apples from turning brown? Then the hypothesis is we can use liquid to slow down the process of oxidation, of turning them into brown. So first, we'll start with water. So in one container, we'll just pour some water. That's right. And then we will put some apples. So 2 slices of apples. We will put the apples over there. This is what we usually do in school, right? So we put the apples over here on the water. Next one is we are going to use milk. So we'll just pour some milk in the second container and see if apples are going to turn. Okay, there you go. So we have the apples in the milk. And then the last one, it's going to be lemon water. So we're going to put some water over there, and then we are going to squeeze some lemon. Squeeze the lemon. That's right. And then we will put our apples. Let's see. Okay. So after our hypothesis, that means we put everything over there ready. Our liquid, we will use liquid to slow down or to stop the apple from turning to brown. Now we have to predict. What do you think? Will these apples turn brown, or these apples in the milk, or these apples in the lemon water? So what do you think? So you have to predict. And then now we are doing the experiment. So we will wait for maybe an hour or half an hour and see if there are some changes in our experiment. Okay, so we'll wait for 1 hour, and then later we will see what happens to our water, for what happens to our apples. So make a guess. What do you think? So after an hour, this is how our apples look like. So let's see. This is the water. So you can see that it also turned brown. There are some spots that are brown here. So this one is from the water. And then let's see the milk. Okay, can you see those? This is from the milk. So you'll see some brown spots there too, like in the water. How about let's find out the lemon water. Oh, I think the lemon water is a lot better. Can you see that? See, there are lesser brown spots. So there are lesser brown spots. So we can conclude. Okay, let's see it one more time. So we can compare. So this one is from the water. The apple from the water. And this one is from the milk. And this one is from the lemon. So what do you think? So after our experiment, we can conclude that, so this one is the conclusion, so we should have a conclusion. Dipping apple slices to water, milk, or lemon will keep the apples from turning brown or slow down from turning brown. So what's our answer? It's lemon. That's right. So the lemon is the one that can slow down the process of oxidation. That's right. So that's it for our experiment for today. You can try this at home, guys.